Hello everyone, today I'm at Franklin Fall and I'm gonna go over there to see the fall. This is the water from the waterfall 1 mile away. That means we have to hike 1 mile to see the waterfall. We try to use a wagon to go up there. This is our secret hiding place spot. The water was right here, but it went over here. The last time I was here, I saw a lot of water, but a lot of water is gone now. In the summertime, you can stop here to relax, play, and take pictures. Now we keep walking up there so we can reach the waterfall. There's 2 little bridges over here. This is like walking in the jungle. It's really a relaxing time. I see some houses in the jungle. There are a lot of broken trees over here. There are a lot of obstacles on the way. We have to step carefully. This is another stop. We can play and relax. Keep moving. Using a wagon to hike is a bad idea. We're gonna hide a wagon behind a tree, and we're gonna get it when we come back from the waterfall. We're gonna only take the stuff. Luckily, we left the wagon, so we didn't need to bring it up the stairs. Do you see that big tree over there? It's like 10 people can get around the tree. Come to over here. Look down, we can see water that looks green, clean, and beautiful. Halfway to the waterfall. There are a lot of people going down. I see a lot of blueberry trees. We are very high right now. After 1 hour of hiking, I finally got to Franklin Falls. We have to walk on the rock so we can go down there. That looks like very dangerous, so you have to be careful. This is the Franklin Waterfall. A lot of people are over here. It was not big as I was expecting. I'm wearing a light suit so I can play in the water. Over here, I see people doing abseiling. That looks so cool. They are using safety equipment and a rope to gradually descend along a cliff face. That looks so dangerous. That's for professional only. Don't do that. We're done playing at the waterfall. We're gonna go down and go home. Now I'm tired and hungry. Going down is much easier and quicker. Finally, we got here. I'm so tired. We're here waiting for my dad to get the car. My dad is loading the stuff up, and we are ready to go home. Thank you for watching my video. The trip is complete for today. Bye-bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe.